we are learning about sound boxes. These are things that you can use to help you when you get to a word that you don't know in your writing. I want to write the word cat in my writing. There are 3 sounds in the word cat. K, E, T. I'm going to write down the 3 sounds that I hear. K, E, T. Now I want to write the word flat. There are 3 sounds in the word flat. I'm going to write them into my sound box. The first sound is fl, fl. That's the blend FL. Flat. The next sound is E, and the last sound is T. There are 3 sounds in the word flat. Fl, E, T. I want to write the word bed in my writing. There are 3 sounds. Do you think you know what they are? Say the word bed. B, E, D. B, E, D. What if I wanted to write the word sled? Sled. There are 3 sounds in the word sled. Sl, E, D. Even though there are 4 letters, there are only 3 sounds because the first sound is a blend, sl. Help me to write the word fin. There are 3 sounds. What do you think they are? F, I, N. What about the word chin? There are 4 letters in the word chin, but only 3 sounds. What do you think they are? Ch, I, N. At the beginning, there's the digraph ch. I bet you know the sounds in the word dog, d, o, g. There are 3 sounds in the word dog. What if I told you that in the word frog there were 3 sounds but 4 letters? Do you think you could work out what it is? Frog, fr, o, g. Okay, what about this one? Bug. What are the sounds, do you think, in bug? There are 3 sounds. B, A, G. And what about chug? There are 3 sounds in chug, but there are 4 letters. Can you hear that digraph at the start? Chug. It's C-H-U-G. Chug. In your writing, you could use sound boxes to help you write words that you don't know by listening to the sounds.